Hello. Yeah, so let's just wait like for the others, okay? Then let's have a start. Okay, guys? So sit back muna, okay? And relax. Then we will have a start. Okay? Hello everyone. So let's see. Grabe na una si Mark talaga, no? Hello Mark, hello. Welcome. Mhm. Yes. Napansin din, matagal ka na palang nanonood dito. It's actually my first time seeing your no your account, but anyways, welcome. It's nice to meet you, Mark. Yeah. Yes. Good evening. Hello, Art. Good evening, Kenneth. Oh, kamusta, Kenneth? Kenneth, ikaw yung nanalo, di ba? Sa may ano, you're the one who won sa premium. How's the studies going? Hmm? Mustagala. Actually, guys, I'm still recovering. Kapagod. But yeah. So let's have a check sa market today. I haven't checked the market. I mean, like, I have seen it sa phone lang, pero like checking it like overview talaga. Wala pa. But yeah, let's check yung natin last time. Yung analysis natin last time. Okay, yung mga coins. Hello, Nikki Shaw. Hello. Yes. Sige, so just give me a moment, guys. Let's invite those people sa TikTok. Okay. Okay, live crypto. Okay. All right. Okay, so by the way, guys, if you have any question, again, okay, I am welcome to answer that. Anything regarding sa trading, ha? I'll try my best to answer that if you have any question regarding on it. All right, so yeah, so let's have a start. Okay, let me try to share my screen for Bitcoin in here. This is our ano, diba? We always check Bitcoin first. What's happening with Bitcoin? Okay, so where's this one? All right. So right here we have the Bitcoin, and yes, coach just started kakatapos lang ng summer class. Okay, Kenneth. Yeah, that's good. So if you have any questions, Kenneth, you are welcome to ask me in premium or anything like that. So, okay. Okay. So right here, remember this one, guys. Yes. This is our last na charting, correct? And yeah, let me remove this one. We don't need this one. It's past. Yeah, but this one, right? We were so focused on this area because just a moment, guys. I'm having problem with my VPN. By the way, I'm still not in Philippines, so I'm using VPN. Just give me a moment. Mhm. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. All right. Yeah, so remember this area, guys, where we had these diversions going on, right? And since last week of June, I have mentioned this multiple times. Last week of June, um, it has been consolidating, and we were waiting for this. And what did I say, guys? By the around 20s of July, right? I told you that. By the last week of July, right now it's July 26th. So by the 20th of July, we will have a what? We will have a breakout. We will have a breakout, and we did. Yeah. So I guess my VPN is not working in TikTok. I guess I have to find other ways for this one. Anyways. Uh-huh. Okay, so right here, this is our plotted na ano, 'di ba? This is our plotted na arrow last time. What we expected for Bitcoin to happen. And this one, we got to break out around what? This happened July 24. Can you see? So around 2. I told you guys that, right? Around 2 we will have that breakout or that big movement kumbaga sa may Bitcoin. And yeah, from there we get the breakout, and from here you can expect Bitcoin to really possibly move more down. Yeah. Again, we have tackled this area right here, that this could possibly be the last na wall, the deepest wall Bitcoin can visit. But then again, I have also mentioned that there's a high chance that Bitcoin is gonna what? Is gonna go hit 28K levels, and we did during this time. Can you see that? That is around 28,800. Yeah, did you guys manage to ano? Did you guys manage to trade this or no? Or were you able to, be prepared? Kumbaga, be prepared during this time. Okay, let me try this one. Hmm. Okay, let's see if this one will work. Anyways, yeah. So remember this note that we did last time, guys. We were scanning Bitcoin from weekly all the way to daily, all the way to the lower time frames. And from weekly, we have found what? We have found weakness. Yes, we have found weakness on the week one all the way to day one yan ha. So, yung weakness, miss, what weakness did you, yung sa mga newcomers dito, what weakness, 'di ba? So that was the weakness of the Bitcoin going, further higher pa, kumbaga. So with that, we are losing momentum to the upside. I mean, pushing to the upside, we're losing that momentum. So Anthony in TikTok, hello, good evening. Oh, finally my TikTok is working. Yeah. So I guess I have to remove lang pala the VPN and finally it's working. Hello guys, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, so again, wait, let me show this, for the guys who are in TikTok so they can see this note that we took down last time right here. Yeah. So on the weekly um chart, yes. By the way, the ano, oh wait, let me change this one so everyone can see it. Saan yan? Eto, yan. So I hope that's visible for the newcomers. Okay, we are charting Bitcoin. Currently, we are at the 4 hour. So for those who are in TikTok, guys, we are live in ano ha? Eto, we are live in YouTube. We are live in YouTube, so you can check us in YouTube, guys. Mayari Capital. Okay, so yeah. All right. If you want the full screen like this, okay, I'm in YouTube. So yeah. So again, weakness right here, week one, daily, and then we also have the pattern which we were, waiting for the breakout, and this was that breakout right here. Oh, this was it. So for those who are in TikTok, like I said, I have mentioned that by the line of 2 of July, okay, line of 2 20s, we will have the breakout. And what happened? We had the breakout, okay? And that breakout uh, corresponded with, the data that we have analyzed and taken from the market. Okay, so yeah, week one, let's try to open week one right here. Okay, so 30K zone. So I forgot what was the 30K zone. Why did I? Yeah, anyone remember this? I guess it was just me mentioning the 30K zone is a really strong, no, it's a really strong resistance level. Yeah. Patrick, hello, hello. In TikTok. Yakamuna, you're late. Not good, not good. Just kidding. So sorry, guys. I don't know. I'm still. You guys know, for those who were with me for the last lives, that I just recovered from allergies. Small is still there, But yeah, much better now. Mark Lu in YouTube. Yes, hello, good evening. Alan, good evening. Yeah. So, Jason De Castro on TikTok, do you have a mentoring page or Discord? Yes, I do have a mentoring page in Discord. Again, if you go over on my YouTube right here, the official link for you, okay, so you can avoid scammers or anything like that, is this one. Go on my description down below, okay? It's here. Okay, you can get my YouTube ano dito. All right? So, okay, so weekly, let's open what did we found in weekly, during that time, weakness and everything like that. So I have mentioned this again and again that the strength of, especially this one, for those who are not familiar, this one is what we call MACD. Okay, MACD. So yeah, I have been mentioning MACD is getting weaker. Yeah, so this is the weekly 3 day actually, guys. We got the ano now, we got the to the downside tayo, histogram to the downside now. So yeah, that's pretty bearish, so it might take some time, give it time, you know before we can recover to the upside. Yeah, so when we were doing this this analysis, the daily already has been, has crossed over already. And it was around July 18th. The last live that we did, I guess, was July 17th, right? So it was just around here, July 17th. And then we have the 2 day. Today, by July 18th, okay, the next day, guys, after the live, finally the 2 day chart did a crossover to the downside. And yeah, now 3 day chart is doing that. Weekly is about to do that. So, Miss, when can we anticipate for a weekly, to cross over like that? Wait for the Monday closing, guys. Today is just ano. Yeah, it's just Wednesday today. Yeah, so a couple of days pa, guys. A lot can happen. Um, it can happen wherein like the strength or the volume can pick up, it can pick up moving to the upside. That can happen, so that we have to watch out. Okay, so 4 hours, especially 4 hours looking like this. But when you talk about the 4 hour na, with the MACD right now, the volume is not that high, not that high yet. So we'll see, we'll give it more time. But if we look at it now, just scanning all through all of this to the lower time frame, it is picking up, but it's gonna have a hard time. Okay, it's gonna have a hard time. So going back on the weekly, the chances of crossing over to the downside, meaning like going down, is still relatively high. Okay, it's still relatively high. So yes, this is why now again we got the note right here that we plotted last time. Weakness, okay. Tapos the main thing was the bearish divergence. Yeah, so I guess we saw that on the daily time frame. So let me change this one right here so we can see that, everyone can see that. Eto. So can you see this one? Eto. Okay, bearish divergence, and guys. So yeah, so we have been anticipating Bitcoin that weakness talaga going to the downside, and July around 20s, a line of two, it will have a breakout, and it did around July 24. So Dong Rex was like, "Mom, uh can you please the dot? What do you mean? Are you asking me to chart the dot by rest? Sorry, Dong Rex. Yeah. By the way, guys, those who are in TikTok, again, I welcome chart requests. So we have a first chart request for tonight. Um, yeah. So let's add dot. Actually, dot is already in my priority. So later we'll just have that Rex Mac Mac Z plays price action ka, ma'am? Yes, I am a price action trader po. Yes, I am a price action trader. Okay, so yeah, so daily miss, what can we expect from Bitcoin then, right? Like from here. So to be honest, guys, the market is literally telling you now, okay, that is gonna go visit these levels. We are actually hitting, 28K already. I have mentioned that Bitcoin is gonna go hit 28K. So yeah, we might hit. We might gonna hit 28K more from from here. So right here, just a moment, guys. Mhm. Yeah, so right here, guys, at the lowest price again that possibly Bitcoin is gonna hit is around 27. Again, that's the lowest price that I'm expecting, huh? But yes, 28 case, 28 K na case is already or has already happened. That was around 28,840, and might it go lower than that? Yes, it might go lower than that. So let's just check people in YouTube muna. So Ken, I was like thoughts for the upcoming news 6 hours from now. I'm not quite sure what the news Kenna, to be honest, because I'm a technical analysis na trader. Uh yeah, but sometimes, sometimes news do help, but I do not trade by the news. It's just that it's trigger only. You can like watch it. That's it. Yeah, but that's up to you. Okay, so Zia. Good evening, Miss. Long time low live. Yes po. Kasi I was traveling, Zia. I was traveling. So, yeah, also that I have been quite busy. Before I left Philippines, I was processing a lot of documents. So that's why, I was caught up with that. Yeah. Anyway, so going back right here. Yeah, that's the level that, yeah, you guys can expect the price of Bitcoin. Okay, that it can go not much. So this trend line, by the way, guys, this is not a random trend line. Again, for those who are in TikTok, if you want to see this one full chart, this is in YouTube. All right, if you want to see the full chart. Let me see from here. Okay. All right. So again, this green line that you guys can see, it is a trend line that has been going on. Let me ano lang dito, refine this trend line. Ganyan, yan. So again, this trend line has been going on since December yan, guys. Okay? December 30. Okay? December 30. Actually, the start of this bull, bull market talaga. The start of the bull market. So Anthony was like, what strategy po gamit niyo, ma'am? I'm doing price action. Price action with combined personal na strategy that I have personally, made. So yeah. Um Kailan FOMC? Okay, let's try that later. Black Blink Digger. Hi ma'am, paano mag-plot ng support and resistance? So to be honest, guys, okay, by the way, for those who are in TikTok, okay, I actually have an ongoing, guys, okay, ongoing lesson, free lesson in YouTube. So far we have tackled this much, okay? Can you see this right here? So we have tackled this much. Everything is available in YouTube. So yeah, part one, introduction to cryptocurrency, trading tools, everything that you need, especially if you have no knowledge in crypto or any related to trading. Yeah, you can start with this. But yeah, so the last topic that we did on the free trading, by the way, this is the free trading lesson series. The last topic that we did was the time frames. Yeah, so next to that, who was again Blink Dagger. Yeah, Blink Dagger. The next lesson that we will be tackling is the um support and resistance. Okay, that I will announce, guys. Okay, I will announce when we are gonna have that. So hopefully Blink Dagger, okay, you'll be there, or you can watch in my YouTube, guys. Okay, anyways, everything is saved up in here. All right, you're welcome, you're welcome. Say guys. So Blue Tears, hello, how's it going? Yes, how's it going? All right, so where is this one? Right here, let's check. Okay, so far nothing much with Bitcoin. The thing that we were anticipating is currently happening now. Yeah, we got the bearish everything, then the breakout to the downside. It's up to you guys if you are, if you're planning to day trade it or to scalp it. Okay, let's try to do the quick technical analysis with this one. So far, right here, this was, can you see this one, guys? It's not visible, but it was the zone that I have plotted on the lower time frames. Can you see this? Ito. Yan. So this one is a strong resistance. I guess I have plotted this on the last live. Ito, yung blue line. Yeah, this blue line, the 30,300. You guys remember this? So I have plotted one right there, and it has been a strong resistance since then. One, okay, two, and then the third time we tried to, to touch that, what happened? We got rejected heavily. So, Miss, how can I, finally we got the breakout. Yes. And this breakout is a strong one, guys. This is a 4-hour chart. So, this consolidation that is happening, the chances of it continuing to the downside, I can say 70%. So if you're gonna trade this, anticipate this level right here. Okay, actually it's slowing down. So let me double check lang, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2. Yeah, anywhere around 29,600. Okay, 29,600, guys. Take note. Let me try to write that down right here. 29,600 is the optimal, okay, optimal entry yan for short position. Again, if you want to take a short position, now this kind of play, hindi na siya ano ha, it's not a day trading na. So, if we're gonna target all the way down till here, okay, sa baba na to, possibly. Let's not be, let's have a conservative type of take profit. So around 27,800. Okay. That's gonna be a good one na. And yeah, that's a 2:1 RR. Just do your your risk management properly right here. So if you guys doesn't know, risk management yet, have no idea about it, please, it is in my premium. So yeah, in my premium, you also get this trading journal right around here. Let me check if I can see the ano. If I can see, yes. So right here, guys. Okay. So this is a calculator that you get with the with our premium. Okay. So then by then you would be able to calculate this one professionally. Yeah, so that's the trade setup. I hope if you can watch the live again na lang, okay? Just take note of the levels. This one is gonna be like a swing type of trade. It might take like days. Depends with how the market is gonna move. It can move like this, like so abruptly, to the downside, or it can move like so slow. It might take some time. Okay, so Alan RQ, Miss Mayari, I can't find the calculator on the drive. Okay, just message me, Alan. Sige, sa Discord. Okay, let me know. And I'll double check it myself, okay? Wait, just a moment. Wow, ang ganda ng... Ma'am, kailan po ba mag-enter ng trade? Kailan po ba? Okay, so Blink Dagger and TikTok is asking me, Ma'am, kailan po ba mag-enter ng trade? I'm not quite sure what you're asking. Is that the setup that we just did right now? So, again, it's up to you now. But this is, again, like I said, the optimal entry. Okay, to 29,600. All right, 29,550. That can be, please, guys, by the way, do not get fixed on the number. Like, oh, Miss Mayari said 29,600, like that. I need to enter right away, like 29,600 lang talaga. Lang, ganyan lang. Guys, it doesn't, to be honest, it does not work like that. Okay? When I do my entries, when I do my stop losses, demand zone, supply zone, it is again from the word zone. It is a zone. So it can, play around 29,590 to 29,723. Can you see that? Okay, again, for those guys who are in TikTok, okay, if you cannot see the whole view, we have it in YouTube. I am live in YouTube right now. So this is it right here, okay? Mayari Capital. Sige? So, yeah, that's it. So what I want you guys to do, especially for those who are new, I advise you to do your own exercise. Meaning, whatever I plot in here, you guys can also like copy that in your chart, and then I want you to study it. You know, let me tell you a secret. There's like one way that I have learned how to trade. I mean, like, that is by practicing, plotting the lines, everything. That is, how I learned personally. So, yeah, I do advise you to do that. And hopefully that will help you with it. Mejan, okay, just a moment. Let's see some questions in in YouTube. So, a huge liquidation at 26K. Order block yan, Mejan. Okay, let's check later. I guess, so let's talk about order block also. Okay, anyone in here, let me know. Are you guys familiar with order block, or have you guys heard about order block? Anyone? YouTube, TikTok, let me know. Okay. So, ICT, Matic po please. Okay, okay. Let's add the Matic in our requested na list. Matic po please by I don't know. Yeah, you guys, I don't know is that no, they use the name talaga. I don't think like okay. So Matic USDT that P. Okay, let's have that. So we have first dot, and then let's do Matic. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, that's good. People knows what order block is. That's good. For those who doesn't know order block, do not be shy, guys. Okay. Uh, you know, I'm happy to discuss it with you if you don't have any understanding with it or little understanding of it. But yes. So, anyways, oh Zia, not yet. Okay, let's have then. Yeah, again, Alan just messaged me, okay, in Discord. So is it a good op for spot trade? Um, long position tayo eh. There's actually a short, pero I myself, I do not trade that. But if you want to, spot trade this, yeah, you can do long, but you have to wait around 27. This naman, you can do futures, but your leverage, you can do by one, okay? One leverage lang. So meaning there's no multiplier at all. But you are shorting the market. Gets, yeah, gets. Yeah. Okay, so hello, valid po ba yung bearish OB sa 29,600, 800 level 4-hour time frame? I guess this this guy just came in. Yeah, so again, this is the level. This is yeah, you can apply the OB in here. I can see. Now I can see the OB that you just mentioned. But yes, um this level, anywhere around 29,600, 29,700. Okay, this whole zone, all right, there's a high chance of rejection in there. Okay, high chance of rejection. Okay, Anthony, is it order black po yung candle na nag-liquidate, ma'am? Um, okay, wait. Later, I'll show you guys what an order black is. Okay, so oh wait, huge liquidation at 26K. Order block. Oh my bad, guys. In my mind, I was literally thinking order book. Okay, let me let me type that in. Okay, this is the thing. I don't trade order block or any, but I'm familiar with it. But yeah, in my mind, I was thinking order book. Yan, because I do trade order book. It is by the price action. So again, if are you familiar with order book, guys? Order book is a tradable, very nice for scalping. I can tell you. Yeah. So my bad. I was literally thinking order book. Okay, when I read that order block pala. OB yan, right? OB. Yung sa may SMC, tama? Yeah. So yeah, but I do trade order book. So we can check that later. Yung huge liquidation by the order book. Sige. So where is this one now? Um, how can I join Discord? Oh yeah, Mehan. If you check down in the description below right now, okay. By the way, guys, for those who are in TikTok, down in the description below, right here, we have the subscription premium link. That is the official link. So you guys can avoid scam or anything like that. Everything is down in there, the links. Okay, Instagram also, if you can message me in Instagram also. Okay, that is fine. All right, so where is this one? Okay, what are the other questions that we have in the YouTube? Yes. Okay. I use order block with FVG Confluence. All right. What other Confluence that do you use? I have a multiple, guys, but not that a lot, huh? It's just that I combine them or like put them in different strategy and different approach sa market. Order block sounds like yeah, order block. I remember it's like an SMC. SMC, yeah. But in my mind, I was thinking order book. And so, yes. Anyways, XRP boss. Okay, okay, yeah. Later. Anyway, so let's check the I really want to see the last na mga coins that we did last time. So we always do in here, guys, right? We always do Ethereum dot BNB link. Ito yung mga major coin that not only that I personally chart but also is heavily requested sa live. By the way, guys, um currently, okay, if you'll see sa my Ano, ito. So if you see some my YouTube, I currently have 800, 800 subscribers. Yes. So if I hit 1,000 subscribers, okay, in YouTube, again, if I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. Okay, that I will announce. I will do a giveaway. Okay, once I hit 1,000. All right. So hopefully we hit that, and who knows, you might be one of, you know, you might win the giveaway that I will give away. Okay. Anyway, so so let's see Ethereum muna. Hmm. Ano po giveaway? Kailan airdrop ng hashtag, ano to, dollars and Mayari? Shall we make our own coin, guys? Mayari coin. Yeah. Okay. Shall we make that? I'll think about it. Okay. So again, guys, if we hit 1,000 subscriber in YouTube, I will give away. Okay? I will do a giveaway. Last time, last live, yung pinaka last live talaga, I gave away 2 premium subscription. One winner is in here with us. Yeah? So we have Kenneth, I guess. Yeah, is he around here? Yeah, Kenneth is here. And then another one is from TikTok. So yeah, currently, okay, 819. So yes, when we hit 1,000, there will be a huge giveaway. And premium, guys, let me tell you, the premium giveaway that I gave out were $30. $30 yun. So, um, it's not about like the signal that you get in there, but the lesson. And also this, eto. Yeah, the calculator. Okay, you will get access to everything of this. All right, so yeah, Ethereum. Blank Digger, how much is the premium po? Again, premium per month is $30. Okay, you get full lesson. So yeah, Jan, $30 is not bad. Absolutely not bad, because all of the lessons, even trading journal materials you get with me, you also get the community. Yeah, so right here, Ethereum, we have the bearish formation. Yes, from there we get the breakout. This is along with the, this is along with the Bitcoin. So let me try to open Bitcoin right now. Let's have both. Okay, I don't like this one. Oh, everything is gone. It's not the same chart, guys, um, that is showing in here. But anyways, we know that Bitcoin dropped around 24, correct? So let's just plot that in. And this is the importance of why we always chart Bitcoin first. Doesn't matter, guys, okay? It does not matter what trade you have, especially if you are trading like mga Ethereum, mga major coins, okay? It's important for us to watch Bitcoin every single time. So currently in Ethereum, we are in the 4 hours. So let's open the Bitcoin in a 4 hour time frame. All right. So eto, 24th was the breakout. Remember? Let's plot that in. Dito then, 24th is the breakout. Can you see that? Um, Ethereum, what can you observe? Ethereum broke out first. Yeah. And then that breakout is not a simple breakout, let me tell you. This is a breakout of a really long na consolidation. I'll show you. This one has been going on for a month. Okay, 30 days yan, guys. So, can you see that? 30 days. Okay, 30 days. So, if we can observe, Ethereum dropped first. Can you see? And then by the 24th, eto, when the Bitcoin dropped now, right here, then only Ethereum, confirmed the retest on the breakout retest and continue to the downside. Sa Bitcoin, it was just starting kasi, ito. Bitcoin has been, getting supported by this. Yan, can you see that? Dito? It has been getting supported by this. So um, now we can see that Ethereum broke out first, guys. Okay, so let's open again our Ethereum. That's the important, huh? Why you always watch out for Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin, doing? What's the sentiment? What's the bias? We saw that the bias with Bitcoin was bearish. We saw everything, right? We analyzed it. Bearish, divergence, weakness on the strengths. I have discussed that last live, yeah. So no wonder altcoins, drop. So yeah, so I have one private student, by the way. So she's still in the no, she's still in the what do you call it? In the process of still learning the price action. We just finished price action, so I encourage her to do the practice now, do it every time. So this is the thing. She applies all the lessons that we have discussed, and the market literally by her own technical analysis only, from our lesson, she was like, the market was telling me that it was going to go down, but she was in a big denial. And that is normal, guys, especially for those who are new to trading, or for those who are in trading for a really long time, but you're having this setback, kumbaga, like you're having problem that or mental block. Perhaps your mental block can be um, caused by losses. That can be also, you get scared now, you get fear. Yeah, that's absolutely normal. So she was like, market was telling me that it's gonna go down. She was like that. And then, but she was in denial, you know. But when the market played, after she did her technical analysis and everything, she was like, my technical analysis, miss, was right. Whatever I just, she was like, she just plotted everything, applied the lessons that we have tackled, and the data that she have gathered was bearish. It was gonna go down. It did go down. Yeah. So, for those who are trading, learning how to trade, it is normal, guys, okay, to have that, what's the word for that? Yeah, you're doubting ba? Oh, that's the word for it. You don't have that confidence. I mean, you might have the confidence once, but now, that confidence might have been broken due to, losses, big losses. Yeah, that can be. Yeah, limiting belief. Did that happen with you guys na before? I myself, I had that. So I'm helping her. So that private student that that I just mentioned, um, she was really having a hard time, to trade or even executing the trade because of that confidence na ano. So I'm pushing her, and finally she is slowly stepping up. Really good. So yeah, anyway, so Ethereum right here. Yeah, it's gonna go down again. Ethereum, we are seeing it to go down. Ito, can you see this green mark that we have? Okay, so we have some, oh, seaweed is here. Hello. Welcome, seaweed, welcome. Aaron, is the premium call consist of one-on-one coaching, ma'am? No, premium is recorded lessons yan. And if you want one-on-one coaching, that is the private lesson. Okay, which I accept right now, since market is not that busy, but the moment it gets busy, guys, I accept like 2 to 3 students lang in a year. Okay, 2 to 3 students. So if you get that spot, a spot. Okay, I'll announce that. Anyways, but right now I do accept. So yes, but okay. So where were we? Yeah. So Ethereum. Can you see this? This is the green line that we have plotted last time. Remember? So currently we just got the breakdown, and we can expect Ethereum to visit that level. All right. So This this green line is a really strong one. It has been, let me make a zone. Perhaps you guys will be like, oh, Miss Mayari was like, I can see that Miss Mayari did like 17,093. So if it goes, if it breaks that, it's gonna go more down. Again, guys, I trade by the zone. Okay, so this whole zone, 17,094 all the way to 17,000, yeah, 1700 pala, 1763. So you can, expect Ethereum to be caught by this. So if we check with the Fibonacci, that is by, can you see? That is by the golden pocket also. A very high chance, okay? Really good, really good catch na zone, to be honest, for Ethereum. And yeah, 1800, okay? 18, let me write that down. Yung 1800 level of Ethereum, guys, is a mentally or a mental or psychological na number. So expect some bounce. If we, if we drop from here right now, expect some bounce at 1800, okay, or 1800. All right. So, where were we? Okay, so let's check. Dot, what's up with Dot? Dot is in a good position to buy, but like in a small, in a small correction to the upside. Okay, because the total market na bias is, bearish pa din. Bitcoin bearish pa din. So, we might get some correction that can be, be with the Bitcoin na push to the upside to the 29,600, yung dot that I was saying, all the way up till here. Ito, 5.3, guys. 5.33. Okay, anywhere at that zone. Let me plot that. Anywhere around this zone. So by the way, for those who are in TikTok, if you want to see this full structure na to, it is in YouTube. I have that. Okay? So this is also recorded. You can watch it again. Okay? If you want. If you want to, recall the lessons. Anyway, so yeah, dot is in a good position to buy right now. Something like this. Stop loss below the previous low. And we can target till here only. So that is a 1.4 RR. Not bad for day trading. Okay, set up. It will have a wick. Okay, so study this trade, guys. Okay, yung dot. You can study it yourself. Okay, so now let's check BNB. Okay. So anyone in here, in YouTube, guys, you were trading BNB, right? Anyone? This is the most requested chart when I was doing live. I have no idea why, but yes. So again, BNB. I have mentioned that there's a high chance that it's gonna go down till where? Till 233. Okay? And that was around this time, Dito yan, around July 17th, right? Because our last live was around July 17th. So, back then, if we calculate yung possible na level that it will hit was around 233 talaga. But then you have to understand, guys, that when the market, progress, that this trend line is also, inclining up. So when it is inclining up, the numbers are also, moving up. So hopefully, guys, you do your own, technical management of your trade. You watch your own chart. When I did this 233, it was by this. So when it, if we did got the drop from here, that is around a 233, yeah, 233.5. But since the market was a slow drop, okay, let's play that. Okay, market was a slow drop. Can you see? Now we are also progressing, and yung trend line na we were referring to is also inclining up. So meaning our values also are also inclining up. So I hope you guys, um, manage this trade if you were trading this, So yeah, but this zone that we were anticipating, Currently, can you see that? Let me try to have a zoom of that. So everyone can see that. Even your neighbor can see, Yeah. Anyway, so right here, can you see? 233 by this trend line. Okay, forget the 233 zone, but the zone that I have plotted. Okay, this trend line, guys, now we have an updated data to. So again, I wasn't able to update because I wasn't doing live for the past days. I was traveling, I was busy traveling, but yeah, I hope you did your own trade management with this one. But yeah, so when we got the downside now, the drop, this trend line caught us, and it was around 235. Okay, 235. So yeah, again, for those who are in TikTok, you can watch it in YouTube, okay, full screen. So you don't have any problem with me doing this screen, shifting like that. So yeah, you get a peaceful na panunood ba. Okay, so 233 zone, or this trend line, this whole zone, we got the bounce from there. And currently we're playing around this area now. Can you see that? We're playing around this area. All right, so let's check. Miss, is BNB gonna have a bounce? High likely there will be a bounce along with yung dot. Okay, dot. So di po gumagalaw screen o ako lang ba? Stephen, I'm not quite I guess it's by the internet, but hopefully not. Yeah. Okay. Melissa Joy Roque from TikTok. Madam, pa-check ng Bitcoin. So, Miss Melissa, we already checked the Bitcoin. It's always, at the first of our live. But don't worry, we have the recorded lesson for that. You can watch that, okay? I have my YouTube right here. Just look for this one, July 26th, checking charts, okay? Live crypto analysis. I have broke down the Bitcoin. Okay, you can check this live in my YouTube. So let's check our YouTube. Okay, good. We're hitting like 820 subscribers. Again, the moment I hit 1,000 subscriber, guys, I will do a giveaway. Okay, like what I did last live, I gave out two premiums, just giveaway. Okay, for people, to learn how to trade. Okay. Yeah, check ko na lang sa YouTube. Thanks. Yes, yes, you're welcome. Yeah. Okay, again, this is my YouTube right here, Mayari Capital. Okay, so we might have a bounce with the Binance coin in here, along with the dot that we saw earlier, and along with the Bitcoin. But again, I'm not saying, oh, Miss Mayari said that it's gonna be a long. I might expect it to go all the way up. Not quite so, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be. It's a short trade lang siya. It's a short trade, so something like this, also with here. Okay, so if you long around this area, parang ganyan yan. Okay? So, manage your risk. Okay? Do your analysis with this one. So, we can see, so you guys can see it on your own. But yes, this area, that 240 level of BNB is a strong resistance. 240. Okay? So, that is done. Yeah? For the one who were requesting for the dot. Now let's check Matic. Mm-hmm. Let's check Matic. Okay. Just just give me a moment, guys. I'll just get my charger for my phone. I'll be back. Okay. Okay. So finally, I got my charger. So let's have a continuation. All right. And let me know how's the internet connection. I mean, like, if everything is smooth ba, or is it lagging? For those who are on YouTube, okay. I'm not quite sure with the for people who are in TikTok. Yeah. All right. So let's have a start. Hmm. Okay. So who requested Matic? Are you here? Please comment down, okay, in TikTok or in YouTube if you're here. So like we can proceed with Matic. And who requested Matic? Let me know. Hmm. Yeah. So here, Kenneth. Yes, Kenneth. He requested for Matic. Okay, let's have a quick look on Matic. Okay, so let's open daily for Matic. Again, I have not seen this coin for quite pretty long time now. Okay, I still have my notes in here, but I don't remember what date. That's why, guys, whenever you do your notes, okay, um, always put down date talaga. Always put down date. So now I don't understand. Downtrend, short, trading range. I don't understand now. Perhaps it was this. I still have this. That's really long time now. Again, this was May trend line breaking to the downside. Yan. Okay. So let's check. Yeah, short. I have mentioned in here higher time frame downtrend short. Okay. So ideal for short. And what happened after that? We got the short movement, a big drop happened after that. Anyway, so let's delete everything. Okay, so we can have a full, all of us will understand what is going on with Matic. Um, okay, Mehan. Alright. Bano, BTC short. Yeah. Currently the bias is to the downside. So yeah, just look for your level, plot your support. By the way, I already did a trade setup for Bitcoin short. You can watch it in my YouTube. Okay. This is my YouTube right here. And yes, um, it's Mayari Capital. Okay, you can watch it. All right, so Matic. Let's check. Let's open the weekly. Okay. Huh. And I'm doing log, guys, because it's a really long anana. So everything will be clear. I'm doing log now. Okay, so the lowest with Matic 0.3. Okay, that's a midline support right around here. All time high 2.9. All right. So yeah, 2.9 right here. Okay, so total, market structure with Matic, we cannot like by the weekly, yeah. By the weekly, um, I'm not quite sure if you're gonna trade it like long term, but let's just take it from there. Then let's work our way down to day trading. So right around this area, guys, is gonna be a really strong support, ha. So if you get a Matic around 0.44, okay, 0.44 for Matic, that is a good buy zone. That is your good buy zone. So that is for long term. Mhm. Okay, buy zone or accumulation zone, guys. All right. So from here, let's zoom in. I'm gonna start looking for swing position now. So production, we just broke it to the downside from here. Okay, we got some support, but I guess this one is a 0.786 bounce. Let me check. Yeah, that is a 0.786 bounce. Okay, so that's good that we get supported by that, because that is the last wall. If Matic didn't manage to hold that Kenneth, okay, Matic can literally drop all the way down, way lower again. But it's good. We got the pickup. But I noticed this one now. We have this strong trend line that we just broke. That we just broke. So watch out for this one now. Okay, I'll discuss it on the lower time frame. All right. So yeah, good support, bounce, breakout. Week when was this? July 10, they got the breakout. July next week of it, last week lang, we got a spinning top type of candlestick for the weekly, but that is fine, guys. That's normal if it happens. We can anticipate that for a breakout and retest na. Oh, that's really good. Let me plot this one. This right here, this candle right here. Okay. I guess I just saw a swing trade entry for you na, Kenneth. All right. So let's open it. This is one of my strongest, ano guys, one of my strongest personally, one of my strongest na strategy. This one. Once we get the bounce, sa plinat ko na line right now, trust me, it's gonna go all the way till here. Minimum yan. Okay? Minimum. So, if that happens, let me take this one from here to that our minimum target. That is 61%. Okay? 61%, Kenneth. So, yeah, again, weekly. I guess you guys now are like thinking, Miss, how can you see that there's literally no candles that we can refer from there? I can see it from here now, guys. I'll just discuss it na lang, sa lower time frame. Okay, so you will understand it. So, how to get that minimum? What do you mean by minimum? Kias. Tagal nyo pong nawala. Yes, I can see that. Sorry, I was, guys, for those who are in TikTok, I was busy, I was traveling. So, now I'm settled. So, I can do this live na. Anong price po nung support? Patrick is asking in TikTok. So, price for support for Matic, okay, is 0.7064. Okay? Again, this is not I don't like exactly, that is, my bad, that is not it. That was the price, guys, my bad. Okay, the price, guys, is 0.6716. But, okay, disclaimer, I don't do by exact number, ha. Later, we can plot the zone na. So, where we can expect Matic to bounce like that. So, by the way, Patrick, if you want to see the whole screen of this, I have it on my YouTube live. Okay, you can join the others who are in YouTube live now, comfortably watching the whole screen. Okay, they don't have to see my hands like this anymore. Okay, so all right, so right here we got the 0.6716. Let me change the color of that. It's, I know, let's make that one yellow. Okay, so we can see that later. Kevs is like, LTC thought mo po, ma'am. Later, let's try to chart that. KNC po ma'am pati A. Okay. All right. So if we get some ano, we'll have that. So Jollybots, what do you think of Bitcoin lately po? I've been seeing a bearish divergence po in the weekly. Actually, Jollybots, we have been anticipating that ano na, that breakdown. We have been gathering data bearish, okay, sa Bitcoin, and I have also mentioned when will it break out, and I said it was around, expected around July 20s, line of 20. So we get the breakdown 24th. Yeah, it has been there, yeah, bearish. So it might continue down. So if you want to know about that level for the Bitcoin, just watch na lang yung live. In the first portion of the live, I discuss Bitcoin. Okay, everything, the data that you need will be there for Bitcoin. Okay, so buy zone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get the breakout. We got the level for Matic, which is really good. So let's see some strength. I just want to see some strength right here. 1, 2, 3, weekly, 3 day. Okay, it's picking up. Daily to the downside. Okay, 12 hours, 4 hours picking up. Okay, so we can expect daily, Kenneth. We can expect daily. I mean, yeah, daily or day trading, okay, to have that, push to the upside. And by that, I guess it will um, confluence with yung dot. Remember yung dot just now? Dot, BNB, tsaka yung Bitcoin that I have mentioned that there's a possible like retest like this, like, to the upside like that. Yeah. So day trading, I can see that from here. Yeah, can possibly go that from here. Okay, anyway, so let's go back on the weekly. Weekly, it's fairly, kumbaga. So there might be some ano pa, move, So just wait for it. Kenneth, wait for it. Be patient. If you're doing this, long term, ito yung ideal na accumulation zone for Matic, 0.67. Okay, so seeing the 2 day chart, by the way, if you guys are doing this trend line, okay, that is applicable also, that my students, private students, crash course knows that, I do not trade heavily with trend lines going on support like that. All right, so okay, this zone, all right, guys, Kenneth especially, this zone right here from the yellow line, Kenneth, 0.67 all the way to 0.6250 or 46, okay, is a really good buy zone. I'm telling you now, buy zone or a long position, you can say. So looking like this, if you get a position to the upside, you know, mhm. Again, that's the minimum target. But again, this one is I'm seeing it long term formatic. So we can literally like aim all the way till up here. Ano lang to guys, it's a conservative type of approach. But of course, this one is a swing position, like I have mentioned, so it can take weeks. Okay, weeks. So it's up to you if you're just gonna day trade yung bounce. That's possible also. But if you're asking me, Miss, can we enter now? Not yet. To be honest, not yet. You're still in the middle of nowhere. To be honest, right now, still in the middle of nowhere. So daily, let's check. Okay, that's a good down movement to the downside now. Like I have mentioned on the lower time frame, we might get a bounce, but not that no, not that strong. John Alexis Diaz, tapos na ba ang BNB? Yes po. I have discussed BNB. earlier. So just do a recap, okay? Just do a recap. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, on the day trading or scalping perspective, we can have a we can have a push to the upside, but again, mind the risk. Stop loss natin below the previous low dito. So, yung risk is 1 point, ano yan, 1.40%. Na-stuck po matic screen, Clarence. So, just a moment, guys. Let me check my connection. All right. So, Ryan TikTok is like, KNC, Mom QT. Okay, I'll try to check that. Hmm. Let me know if it's still stuck, guys. Okay. 007, ano po strat nyo? My strategy is combined na siya. But heavily on price action. All moving now, coach. Okay, okay. Trader for likes, the screen is stuck on YouTube. Yes, I'm sorry for that. I'll try to get a better connection tomorrow. Okay. So far, mhm. By the way, guys, kumusta kayo dyan sa, sa Philippines? How's the typhoon going? I heard that there's a strong typhoon, right? Super typhoon. Now naglag ulit, coach. So sorry about that, Kenneth. Yeah. Anyway, so okay, let me try to check. Mhm. Yeah. Anyway, so right at this area, guys, um, there's a possible formation right now, like this. So if you want to have an entry, ideal entry is right by here, eto, and take a stop loss below this, this zone. So now we are risking 0.81%. Lakas ng hangin, coach, dito sa south, non-stop hangin. Yeah. Be safe, guys, for those who are in the Philippines. Yeah. Take care. Grabe yung super typhoon. Yeah, anyway, so I hope you can see my screen. The most important thing is, the values, right? So right now, this is the ideal. Weight optimal entry is this area, 0.7031. Now, for those, now I can confidently say or tell you that even if you enter now on your Binance right now, this exact number, okay, it will have a hit. It doesn't have to work on like a zone, like earlier that I have mentioned. Yung zone, I use that on yung mga swing trading, accumulation, because you cannot really catch those, those spikes. You cannot really catch those. But yung day trading or scalping, that I can catch. So if you have been watching my trades in TikTok especially, I share some of my trades, yung mga scalping. I do manage those sniper type of entry. Yeah. So this is one of it, like sniper type of entry. So 0.7 uh 0.7035, anyway around this area. Okay. And stop loss again around here. Take profit, miss, possible. So take profit that you can firstly aim ha, or good enough to aim na, to be honest, is around this zone, 0.7175 for Matic. Okay, again, for those who are in TikTok, if you cannot see the whole screen, or nahihilo kayo sa kamay ko, kumbaga, I have it in my YouTube ha. It's in YouTube. Okay, my YouTube is Mayari Capital. Okay? So, yan. Talagang nagdalawang screen, no? So, yeah, Mayari Capital, guys. Ayan. So, yeah, so right here, take profit. This is a good one now for day trading. So it's a 2.45 is to one type of RR. So miss, what happens if this matic breaks out from here? Wait for it. Depende yan kung anong klaseng breakout yan. So we can anticipate if it will have a retest like this. Now, I cannot say because we don't have the breakout yet. So if you do have the breakout, yung setup mo will look like this. Yung stop loss is not gonna be by this low na since you have the breakout. So the stop loss is gonna be yan, below the previous low na tayo. So, okay? But take profit is still the same, but the difference now, if you talk about profit and loss, kanina, yung RR is 2.45. Now, yung RR is around 1.45. Yeah? Yun lang. Yun yung difference of a risky type of entry. Ito, I consider this one as a risky type of entry yan. So, right around this area. Ito, confirmed type of entry yan, breakout. So, ito yung first level. If you're happy with that profit, you can target this. Maximum target, however, is this green zone, ha? So, I guess since it will take some time, this green zone will confluence with the zone that I just drew to the upside. So, parang ganyan yan. It will look like that. So, ano usual RR trades nyo po? So, if we speak about scalping, my usual RR or average RR, guys, is 1.5. And don't get shocked, guys, I guess you'll be like, oh, only it means. Guys, we're just scalping. Mabilisan yan. So, 1.5. 2 is the average. I mean, higher average, but, 1.5 talaga. So, 2, if you get like 2.4 or 2.5, 2 is to 1 RR, that's actually excellent na. Yeah. So, again, we have the first take profit around this zone. Yes. And then the second one, if you want to maximize it talaga, is around this. Okay, I'm gonna be doing it with the trend line and then the resistance zone. Okay. All right. So I hope that answers Kenneth's question. Okay. So thoughts mo po kay gold, Miss Mayari. So by the way, guys, I do not trade commodities or forex anymore. Last time only I was doing gold. I charted gold also. But yeah, let's try to see that later. Said ano po entry point? Again, entry point is confirmed, not confirmed but optimal entry is 0.7035 to 0.7040. All right? So you can watch this again if you you want to see this whole structure. Said I have it on my YouTube live, so you can see the full screen. Okay, you can see the full screen. Miss, do you also chart DXY coach or dollar? Yeah, I do. I do for just referring it with Bitcoin. Yeah, so this is my YouTube, guys. Okay, for those who are in TikTok. Okay, if you want to see the full live. So, nag-stream talaga tayo 8 days ago. Can you see? 8 days ago. Yeah, it's a long time, guys, since we stream. Okay, so let's answer some question in YouTube. That's kind of do you all also chart DXY? Again, DXY guys is USD. Yeah, I do. Against with Bitcoin. So, Miss Mayari, nagamit pa po kayo ng RSI MACD MA po? Yes. It's always with me. It's always with me. Ito yung ano ko. Yeah, aside from price action, ito. So, for those who have been with me, for the past years, you know that I do trade with RSI, MACD, and then price action. Yun. So if you're questioning me, oh, how can we trade RSI? How can we trade MACD? Means, it's a long, what do you call this? Long discussion because each strategy will take an hour at least for me to discuss and tell you everything, all the concepts, and that goes with it. That I do with my privates. Yeah. Yung mga ganong strategy na, yung pinaka-detailed talaga. Like, if this happens, you should do this. If this happens, you should be doing this. Kompleto yan, guys. So, yeah, it takes time if I'll discuss everything. So, goods po ba isama sa SMC, yung mga ganyan po, Miss Mayari? SMC, by the way, for those who doesn't know that is a smart money concept strategy. Ano naman siya, it is a strategy of its own na may, you can follow it talaga. Yeah, it's by the book. You can, you can find it online. It's everywhere online. You can learn it, okay? It's free. Okay, all materials guys now are free. Okay? So, if it maganda ba siya isama sa SMC? To be honest, I'm not quite sure, Joshua, because I have not traded it that way, kumbaga. So, but if SMC maganda ba, some points of it is good, but some points naman, um, I cannot say. I guess I'm just way too tawag dito. Um, yung edge ko talaga is price action. I do not like, yung mga waiting. Kasi with SMC, when I was like trying to understand it, I was missing a lot of opportunities that with price action, I can get it right away. Kumbaga. Like right now, eto, yung uh, yung consolidation dito, tawag dyan, this with SMC, I'm not quite sure if you can catch this. But yeah, the consolidation that I did with this area and then the entry, it's pure price action, guys, along with RSI and strengths na yan. Yeah, that's my edge. That's my strategy. So, I'm not quite sure lang with SMC. Perhaps you can track naman if it will work. And Mr. Joe in TikTok was like, same tayo, price action lang gamit. No indicator, mas malinaw sa akin yung malinis na chart. That's true. That is true. So I had it before. I had this problem that my full chart will be, full of indicators. Everything. Up to the point that I cannot, okay, know what's going on anymore. Like I used to do this. I tell you guys, fib circles, I used to be studying everything. Up to the point that parang coloring book na yung yung chart, and sobrang sakit sa mata. So yeah, if you guys can see me do this, my charts are so simple. And normally I do not have this watermark na. I just do this for those who are in TikTok, you know. So you can see it right away. Kung anong chart ba, anong time frame. But personally, when I chart, I do not have that. Okay, so my Telegram, Ma'am Pasale, James Kelly in TikTok. Yes, I do have Telegram. Okay, it's Mayari Capital at Mayari Capital yan. Sige. Or you can check my bio profile in TikTok right now. There's a link in there. And there's a bio link pala yan. and then there's another link, leading to Telegram. Paano kayo mag-watch list? Okay. My watch list, I have a lot of watch list. Not a lot ha, pero like my main talaga, I also have my main. So right here, I'll show na lang. So, it might help others to organize their own, their own watch list na setup. All right, so this one is what I do for the live. This is my day trading talaga. I have my Bitcoin every time yan. It's a must. Bitcoin, second is Ethereum. I have my priority, consolidation, some requests that you guys ask. So this is my list. Okay, I haven't. These are my personal blue list. Another checklist yan. Trade of the day. This was just an example for my private, one of my private student. Um, yeah. By the way, guys, I also do my my mother's stocks right here. So I handle stocks also. So Miss, do you trade stocks? Yes, in a sense of like not my personal trade, but yeah. So weekly trades, I also have that. Eto, Binance Futures Leads, ano siya guys, full on, all na future coins or tickers sa Binance, everything is here. Yan, everything yan, lahat. I guess you can get this one online. Just, type in sa Google, Binance Futures List, watch list pala. Binance Futures watch list. Okay? And there's a template, just download that. So, eto, yung mga investment ko sa mga crash course. Yeah, also, Papa stock list. Okay? Yeah, portfolio, random practice for, for my privates. Yeah, so if you do your watch list, you need to be organized. So this is eto yan. So create a new list. You can import list. By the way, when you do import list, yan yung yung Binance Futures watch list. So again, day trading. So when I scan my coins, okay, this I teach with my ano na to, a little bit complicated na. For my for my students, private students. So any coins that you see from here, just do this flag and then you know put it accordingly to where you wanna put it. So green flag kanina, di ba, was the day trading. So green, yan. So if you see now on the right side, it's added. Yung doge, yan, it's there. Na all fan manager ng family, yes po, official fan manager na po ng family. Tawag dito, alam mo yung tatawagan ka ng noon, any time of the day. Oh, kamusta yung stock? Kumusta yung stock? Oh, tumaas, bumaba. Oh, shall I sell now? Oh, bibili ba ako? Yun. That's my normal days na. Yeah, so, mm, so it's like you track the coins one by one. Yaka muna in TikTok is asking, no, I do not. I have, again, what I just shown you, yung kanina. That was my personal setup na that I can just like simply like this see what trade I can do in a day. So ito yung coin that I have shown to my student. We were doing this, yung private student ko. Yeah, last day lang. Yeah, July 25. We were doing this. So this was the we were charting it, and yeah, this is a really good coin. Origin, OGN. Everything was good to trade volume, everything. So yeah, I discussed this with my private student, how to trade it, what to do with it. Yeah, it was a good coin. So yeah, again, I do not I do not go like, oh, one by one yan, wave, yan. I do not do like that. Ito, wala na yan, guys. So, SCU, pag may nakita kayong ganito, invalid symbol, meaning it's out of Binance, na yan, demoted. So, take it out. Just take it out. Okay? Okay, so let's see from here. Let's see some question. Um, Price action is king. That's true. Price action is king. Personally, I can say that. SMC is more on long term po ba? I'm not quite sure, Alan, to be honest. Perhaps because I used to have a student, private student then, that, he studied SMC after that. His trades were, it's not like in a moment, it will happen like this. More of patience talaga. So, not long term. I guess you can apply it long term, but their trades can go swing, ano, it takes days. Correct me if I'm wrong, for those who are trading with SMC. But that was my last information from my last student, how he trades. So, yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. But it takes time yung SMC. So, is mag-avail po ba ng premium? Matututunan po ba strat ng mga RSI, MACD at EMA po? Yes, because I discuss this in my premium. Yung mga RSI, MACD, EMA, what to do with them, I discuss it with my premium. So yes. Do you trade with volume, coach? I do. Not trade with volume, but my coins should have volume. Okay, now that's the difference. I don't trade with volume, but my trades should have volume. So yes, I do consider volume in my trades. Okay. What can you say about XRP po? Staff online is asking. By the way, yes, we already discussed. Have we discussed XRP, guys? I don't think we have. Wait, just let me double check. Bitcoin, yes, we have discussed Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. Link, we have not discussed. Matic, yes, so we have not discussed XRP yet. Okay, let's add the XRP on the request. Let's tackle that. Paano po maging private student, ma'am? DJ in TikTok is asking. Just message me in my Instagram, okay, DJ. So, by the way, my Instagram is eto, okay, Mayari Capital. Okay, you can screenshot this right now so you can avoid so you can avoid scammers. There are scammers. Okay? So, please, this is my official. Okay? Mayari Capital. Yan yung official ko for my Instagram. Just message me in there. Okay? DM me. So, Ethereum next, please. Albert, I already discussed Ethereum. So just move back na lang sa may live na to. Uh, then study it or listen to my thoughts kumbaga sa Ethereum. Okay. So Zia, where can I find that RSI and MACD and EMA and premium? It's there. Um, Wait, my iPad is not here. It's in my iPad. I do not have it in my. I cannot show. It is in my iPad. But yeah, I guess I'll just take screenshot na lang. Okay? Yes, it is in Google Drive. It's in Google Drive. Tama, Albert. So, yung RSI MACD, it's not in the Discord. There is a different file for it. It is in the Google Drive. Okay? So, grabe mga RR ng mga SMC, ang lalaki. That's true. Yeah. That's the beauty of SMC I have observed. Ano siya, maliit yung risk, malaki yung reward. That's it. Yeah, but it takes time. If you have patience, if you have patience, guys, then you can study SMC. Who knows? Who knows? It might be for you, diba? So, all right. Mhm. All right. So where were we? Yeah, let's talk about XRP. I personally like XRP. Just now, a week ago, nagdouble yung nagdouble yung investment ko sa XRP. Nagdouble, guys. I'm telling you, double, 100%. Okay? When XRP won the tawag dun, yung case nila. So I was accumulating XRP since the low of here. Eto, around zero point 0.3, I have been accumulating XRP. I have also, mentioned that in my bull market. And yeah, so if you guys are wondering if do I share my personal portfolio, I do, especially on my private students. I do. I personally share to them, oh, check out this coin. Check out this coin. If you have a spare, money, spare, I'm saying spare, not your ano. I'm not saying, oh, benta mo yung bahay mo, bili mo dito. I don't, I do not say that. Okay? So when I speak about spare, yan yung savings, maliit na saving lang, kumbaga, something that you can afford to lose. I share that to my private student. And then, I let them buy that. Why? Because that, not only because they are still in the moment of like learning. I do not expect them to profit, right? That oh they trade and profit. No. So if I have something to share to them that they can profit, that I have studied personally, I share that. So one of my private student, I guess you guys are familiar with him now. For those who are in, especially in YouTube, I guess you guys are familiar with him. Crypto MD. When I was teaching him during our private lessons, mentorship. I shared to him my coins for bull market. That guy was able to buy Ethereum during the COVID crash, around $120. Yeah. And yeah, so right now, what I am doing also with my private is that I tell them this coin, invest that coin. I do. So, if you're wondering, oh, yung private student, one-on-one mentorship lesson lang yan. No, guys. Full on ano yan. Full on guidance yan. Pati portfolio. If kailangan, I share that. Sige. So, malaki yung hawak ko na XRP po sa spot. Bahala na. Yeah. It's a good investment. So XRP, we just did a breakout, a strong breakout. So expecting na na retest of XRP. Ito, can you see this zone? Ayan. So 0. Tayo. Psychological number is 0.6. So if XRP visits 0.6 flat currently we're at the 0.6 na. But I'm talking about the zone. So 0.61, okay? All the way till 0.56. Okay, this zone, I'm talking zone since we're gonna accumulate. Okay, we're not gonna scalp or day trade. So yes, this zone, guys, you can you can accumulate XRP. Okay, you are lucky. You are lucky if XRP visit that zone again. Let me tell you. Okay, so now that's the long term. R4. Let's check R4. By the way, what time is it, guys? In Philippines now? Because currently, yeah. If you can see, wait. I still have sa mga YouTube yan, hindi nyo to makikita. Sa TikTok lang. See? I still have light. Meron pa po. 9:36 p.m. Those are in TikTok, 9:36. Madilim na dyan, no? Dito, meron pa. May light pa. Yeah. So, still bright. So, 9:36. I'm asking because, I need to know. Perhaps it's getting late na for you guys in there. Yeah, for those who are in XRP, eto, 9.6. Wait. I'm lost. Go back. Daily. Where were we? Maulang gabi na dito. Yun nga eh. Maulan na dyan, di ba? Like, may typhoon nga, so be safe, guys. Super typhoon, so 200 kilometers past yung wind. Wind, yeah? So, be safe. So, yeah, Kamuna, where are you? Try to guess. Try to guess. I still have light. Yan. I still have light, guys. Okay? Outside. I guess you guys are like, ah. That's why I can talk and talk. I'm watching the time. Okay, I'm considering the time in Philippines. Yes, I can talk and talk since it's still early in my where I am right now. So Canada maybe. Yeah. So 0.699 again. Okay. Okay. Mental. Remember the level. Okay. 0.62. So 4 hour. Let's track. 4 hour build up momentum again. Same idea, guys. So far in all of the cons that we have tackled. Okay, let me list it down. Dot, it's a good buy right now. Dot, buy in a means of long not long position day trading. Scalp yan, not scalp, but like day trading, exit kagad, okay? Because the chance of going down is still high. So what we are trading, yung correction, okay? Take note. So even BNB still is at the position of a good buy. Um, Actually, all coins that we have tackled, even Ethereum. So now let's add XRP. Even yung Matic. Yeah, so we can conclude that most coins right now are in a good buy. So let me pull this up. 1 2 4 hour 1 hour. Let's get an optimal entry. Oh, he she finds. Hi, Miss Mayari. Hello, hello. Yeah, good to see you again. So let's see some optimal entry right here. Oh, we already hit that. Oh, I might take the XRP trade, guys. It's a good one. Long position, even at this point now, it's a good buy now. Stop loss below this low. But okay, guys, be mindful of the percentage. Yeah, 986. Okay. So let me know how's the connection sa YouTube. So sorry about that, guys, about the connection still. I'm out the so I'll try to get a better connection tomorrow when we do the live. Yes, tomorrow, guys, we will do live. So yeah, just come back. Let's talk about the crypto market. All right, again. So where we at right now, it is a good buy position for XRP, but please be mindful of the risk percentage. 3.62% yan ha. 3.62%. So if you guys are, wondering why, um, the full lesson, guys, is in my premium. Yung risk management lesson, I have that. You will also get this. Eto, yung calculator. Again, this is it. How to use the calculator is gonna be fully discussed on sa premium. Okay? So, all good, coach. Nasa XRP na, 1 hour. Kenneth, okay, good. You are in the position na. It's in a really good buy zone right now. Yung zero point 0.7, where you at right now. So, let's talk about take profit. Um, Take profit. Let me check. Again, let's hit when I do my day trading. I do not do get or be greedy. So we have some okay possible rejection at this area, and rightly so, because we are moving in a pattern like that. So when the market moves here, Um, I cannot pronounce his name in TikTok. It's Japanese. I don't know how to read it. Sorry. So he's asking, "Are you single?" Who's asking? I'm like, "Are you asking back? What for?" And then, "Are you single?" Guess. Sino makakahula? Okay. If you can hula, message me, DM me. I'll tell you. How can I avail your premium, Bunny Rabbit? So, if you want to avail, okay, my premium, I recommend you to, it's either you message me in Instagram. Again, guys, my official Instagram is this, Mayari Capital. Okay, Mayari Capital. That's it. All right, message me in there. I'll talk with you directly. Okay, how you can um, get into premium. Sige. So, target, Kenneth, um, yeah, now if we consider this right now, um, if you target this much, it's fine in a sense of it's a strong resistance. Yes, the RR is, really, the discrepancy is really high. Mered na yan si Miss Mayari. Oy, bata pa po ako, hindi pa po ako mered ha. Oh, why would you think that I'm married? No, not yet po. Okay, so can you see? 0.8 yung RR. So, personally, this much, if you are already in the trade, okay, um, you if you are aiming day trading, first target that I really can, um, recommend you is the 0.71. Sige? 0.71. So, fiancé, wala pa po. Well, why do you guys ask, huh? Like I said in the beginning, trading related questions, I'll answer. So, um, if we do buy this, if we do this kind of setup, ano siya, tight. Tight setup siya. If we do like that. But, ano na, ibang strategy na to guys if we'll do like this. But ideally, if we do buy the whole structure, I did buy the whole structure kasi. That is why, I have this right here. Yan. Stop loss ko below the wick. Yan. Of this long. Wait a minute. Let me check this. How long has it been consolidating? Oh, that's a good breakout then. 6 days. Hmm. Okay. So if you're aiming for scalp ha, rejection yan. I can tell you there will be a rejection dito. Dito. Yan. So 0.719 yan. Okay? So, by the way, for those who are on TikTok, if you want to see the full of it, ayan, meron yan ha, live sa YouTube ko. Okay? That's my YouTube, Mayari Capital. So, okay, if you want to see the live, you can join these guys right now, dito. Okay, so, now, target then, for target, if you want to hold this long, yung XRP, but I do not, recommend that because the bias is, downside sa Bitcoin. But then again, we saw that XRP can move on its own. And there are coins like that it will move on its own regardless of what is happening sa Bitcoin. There are coins like that. So let's talk about the targets for that. Next target that you can aim is around this area, huh? Kenneth? 0.7489. So just double checking. Yeah, that's right. So, okay, now I just saw something. Can you see this? Okay, let's discuss areas like this. Even without even without familiar with the volume profile, guys, familiar, even without the volume profile. Uh-huh. Let's check. It's been ages since I've used a volume profile. Yeah. Yeah, even without the volume profile, you can see that. Let me let's do a no, let's do a fixed VP. Yeah. Wait, it's not showing. Oh, yeah. My goodness, it's like I really forgot how to use it na. You have to do like this pada. One, two. Yan. So, if you see, means what does it mean? Yan. So, right here, guys, ha, right here. Let's do another one so we can see the full one. By the way, if you guys are wondering if I trade volume profile, I do not, guys, ha. I do trade by ano talaga, by price action. It's just that I get to know where are the areas na it's visible, to be honest. You don't have, you know, etong volume profile na to, ano na lang siya, to be honest. Parang confirmation, a tool, but if you learn about price action, your eyes, guys, will be trained to see. Oh, that's the supply zone. That's the demand zone. Regardless of OB ba yan or ano, makikita mo talaga that that area has a lot of movements or lot of volume. Yeah? That takes some practice. But come on, guys. If I can manage to see that, you'd be able to see that too. Just take some practice ito. Okay? So, can you see this spot, guys? Ito ha. Meron ito dito. Yan, maliit lang yan. This area. Can you see this? Yan. One, there. Another one ha, another one was here. Yan. Can you see? Patrick, kala ko walang kuryente dyan, boss. I'm not sure if you're talking with me, Patrick. I guess you're talking with Hydra Trading. Yeah. Hi, Patrick. Kamusta? Uh, mm-hmm. Okay, I have missed a lot of comments at TikTok, so just give me a moment to read. I'm not quite sure. So, that's a lot of just okay. Married na yan si Miss Mayer. No, I'm not married po. Like I said. Tara kape. Sure. If you guess what's my favorite coffee, tara, kape tayo. When I get back sa Manila. Ah, I have students messaging me when I was in Manila to, meet with them. But the problem is I already had the flight na guys, so I didn't have time. Even my private students. Next time, okay, I'll message you. So, gusto mo ba ng lalaking marunong mag-adobo? For sure, I love adobo. Yeah. So, short bias ba sa FIBO? Then, Jor, I'm not quite sure what you're asking about that, but no, we're not in the short bias right now with XRP. We're actually anticipating for a correction like that. So, yeah. Anyway, so taga saan ka po mamayari? Taga Philippines po. Charot. Ano po? Visayas. Around Visayas. What coin is this? This is XRP. Okay. Ion. DJ stop loss. Stop loss is already there. Okay. Paano manlalo sa puso mo? Collect the data. Charot. Collect the data. See the probabilities. Charot. So, kinain na ng trading, ano? Okay, so may asawa na to? No po, I don't have. Bitcoin 1 week is showing bearish till 26K. Yeah, so by the way, if you want to see that, the full breakdown of Bitcoin, I have that in my YouTube right here. Okay, and it's at the first part. Just check the first part of the live. So the live is live crypto analysis, July 26. So you will be able to see exact zones, data of Bitcoin. And yes, Bitcoin, we have been anticipating that to go down, yung Bitcoin. Sa last live ha, last live ito, July 17th. Okay, we talked about Bitcoin and when will it break down, and I have mentioned that also. And it had happened. So yeah, now we just got the update for Bitcoin. Just check this live right now, the current live. Okay. Mm-hmm. Hakot ko yan. Sige. So, welcome. Welcome. Okay. Okay, so I'm lost na. I'm lost with the chats from here. Anyway, so ay sige kape tayo. Okay, but kailangan mo mag-guess muna. What's my favorite coffee? Okay? Miss, ma'am, how to choose a coin for scalping? I have my setup. I just shown it earlier. So just go back to live, you know. I have a Telegram for free. So it's Mayari Capital again. Everything is Mayari Capital, ha? At Mayari Capital. No at, no underscore. I mean, no space, no numbers. Mayari Capital yan. Sige? So, yan, parang ganyan. Yun. This is our YouTube. Kanina, ano lang to, 800. So now we're running 825. So welcome with our new members sa my YouTube. By the way, guys, for those who are, just came, it's a TikTok. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. One lucky winner, a subscriber sa my YouTube. So last live, okay, July 17, I gave out dalawang giveaway. Yeah, two giveaways. Isa sa one winner sa YouTube, one winner sa TikTok. Yeah. So I gave away already. So eto, when we hit 1,000, I will do a giveaway. One lucky winner sa may subscriber natin sa may YouTube. Okay, so ano na po yung ini-explain mo na box? Ayan, ma'am. sorry wait lang po. Sige, so ano tayo? Balik daw tayo sa box. Sige. So dito, again, yung box na to, can you see this? Okay, I'll keep this as simple as possible. I'll draw. Okay? Guys, yung market, it has impulse. Okay? Impulse, correction. Dalawa lang yan. Impulse, correction. Doesn't matter. I'm not talking about ranging, uptrend, ganyan na. Impulse, correction. Now, if you want to have a full understanding of that, I have lessons on my YouTube then. Lahat yan, guys. Okay? You can check my YouTube. So, impulse, and there will be a correction. Now, sa correction, this is where it gets interesting. Okay? This is where it gets interesting. So, can you see this? The interesting part is not sa impulse. Impulse, ano na yan. You should be on the ride already. It's not the time for you to take the ride. It should be by the correction. Sige? So, now, talking about that, okay, can you see this, guys? I know it takes some eyes, but right here, we have impulse, correction. Impulse, correction, yeah? Then full on, still part of a correction. Yes? So if I'll open the line chart, by the way, if you're practicing, line chart is good for you to practice that. So this full structure, yan, part of a correction, you can see those candles yan, ha? Candles. Yan, candles yan. Multiple candles that are not moving anywhere. Not only that, you can confluence that with the bounces. Yung mga wicks, yeah? Yung mga wicks, eto. Wicks, yan. Bounce also, this is a really good absorption. Ano yan? Demand absorption yan, dyan. Demand absorption, bounce. And then from there, can you see this? That's a really long Mind you, this one was 18 hours. Wait, let me expand that. Okay, 20 hours consolidation. No market movement yan. Flat yan. So, in that sense, what does it mean, Miss? This means that this area, okay, uh dito yung, I'll keep this one simple, dito pumasok lahat ng orders going pababa. Short. So volume, the volume, trading volume in here is really high. Similarly dito, can you see this? This one maliit lang yan na na yan, 13 hours. But yes, this level guys by, eto, support, small resistance, micro time frame, yan, okay? So from here, can you see this? This full on structure, you can expect. So earlier we were talking about the 0.7489 as a um, resistance or possible take profit. If you're aiming for that, you can literally aim for that. But again, still be mindful. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to manage your trade na. If we hit this level, yan, dito. It's up to you if you want to take some profit, move your stop loss sa entry, let the trade play, or you want to take the risk, stop loss lang sa entry, no take profit yet, not securing profit, but full on right pataas. That is up to you. That is that's your choice. Yeah, so next target by then, okay, if we hit this, is eto, malakas yung resistance dito. 0.76 level. Malakas yan dyan, dito. So, confluencing that with our Fibonacci, that's going to be around zero point 0.6 for sure. Yeah, around 0.6 area. Can you see? 0.6. So 0.6 guys, it is a golden level sa Fibonacci. Okay, if you want to learn more about Fibonacci, yung detail talaga, I have that lesson again sa premium. Yeah, can you now imagine guys, sa premium, you get everything. Price action, basics, risk management, psychology, confluences, Fibonacci, RSI, MACD, EMA, lahat yan andyan. Even materials, yung free na book that I have wrote down, M1 strategy, 1 minute scalp strategy yan that I have made. It was there. It's there also. Also trading journal. It's there. Yeah, so how to avail premium again? Just message me sa my Instagram ko. Okay, wait, let me show you. Yeah, my Instagram. Okay, that's my Instagram. Just message me. Okay, I'll let you know. Well, all right, so let's check some comments on my YouTube. Let's see what we have. I hope that answers the XRP. So from here, let's have the ano na lang. What was that word? KNC. Ang daming nagre-request ng KNC. So let me know, okay, in TikTok. Okay, in TikTok, let me know if you are one of those who requested the KNC ba yun. Okay, if you are, then we'll go over it. Okay, so let's check some comments and talaga ba? Wag mo ako niloloko ay kanang kamay ni ICT. Okay? But thank you. Okay, thank you. If so. So, depende sa nagtatanong. She's not. Okay, so they said that engineer and trader are met. I guess that's meant to be. Hi. Oh, Medjan is engineer. Oh, for those guys that wants to have some engineer, okay? Medjan, ayan, no? Promotion yan, Medjan. Okay? So, yeah. May engineer tayo. We have engineer in the house. So, Mayari, gusto mo ba ng marunong magluto ng sisig? Yes po, I love sisig. Okay? So, not the pork sisig, but the chicken or yung fish sisig. Yeah. trading to, hindi dating. Ayun. So, ayan. Nasita na ni Alan, ano? So, like I said, engineer ako. Ayun, engineer here. Yeah, so we have in here, na-late ako, stranded sa baha. Again, guys, please be careful, okay? Be safe out there sa may Philippines, okay? So, cappuccino? Nope. Hindi po cappuccino. If you're referring to my favorite na hindi po. Okay? Favorite coffee? And I love coffee. I love coffee. So, no. Um, Pag nag 1K follower ka na, miss, don't forget us, please. Bro, I remember you, Zia. Okay? I remember my students. All the way from premium yan. I remember. Yung mga first premium students ko back in 2021, I still remember them. Some of them are my friends na talaga sa may Instagram. One of them I have met personally now. So no, I'm not that type of, okay? So yeah, just don't change your name Zia, obviously, and your your PP, or you can mention that your name is Zia. I'll remember that. Okay, yung sumabog matic coach. Okay, let's check. Oh, we were doing the matic earlier, Kenneth, right? Sige, so how much premium is just 30 bucks. Again, you get everything. Okay, so pumitik matic, lol. Okay, good. Barako coffee, almost. What books to read? Now, Trader for Life, if you're asking, what books to read, now that depends na. Are you asking about technical skills? Are you asking about psychological? I have all of those books. So, yeah. Um, Mamayari, pwede po GCash payment sa premium? Yes po, I accept GCash. I also accept Maya. I have Pay Maya na. So, yep. May everyday TA ka po sa premium Mayari. Back then, I do, but it takes time. You have to do the chart, you have to do the yung explanation. I'm not quite sure everyone are reading it. That's the problem. So now I do my TA na sa YouTube. So what you get in premium is the community. You can ask me there regarding on your, charts. You can send your charts over there. I will review that. Sige. So also, yeah, the lesson talaga. If you're serious about, giving trading a try, invest in yourself kahit $30. Trust me. Back then if I had that opportunity, I would have took that. Siguro hindi ako nakalos ng 100,000 peso. Yeah, that's one of my biggest loss, 100,000 peso. So recommended books, again, that depends. Let me know what you want to read about trading. Then I'll recommend that exact book talaga. Yun sumabog matic. Okay, let's check matic. Okay. Let's quickly check matic. Where are we? Come on. Wow. Yun, no? Aha. So, ayan. Ano to? Trading natin. We were reading about this, remember? And I'm not kidding you guys. What did I say? It will reject where? Right at this zone. And live right now, you can see where did it got rejected? Right at that zone. So I said earlier, right? It's either you risk an entry right here, but then your risk is gonna be high. Yun lang, right? Target profits, everything. Okay. If you are in the matic already earlier, I have mentioned levels of take profit and main thing. One was around here, right? Ito. Yan. One, two. There was a pure consolidation right here. And the major talaga is eto. And we hit that right now. Yeah. Right around here. So who was in Matic? Did you guys got in Matic? Yeah, Kamuna Sagada. No po, not Sagada. May isa akong paborito from Sagada when I went in Sagada. But it was not coffee. Ma'am, ano po, yung premium, ano po yung mentoring nyo? Okay, so again, let me have a quick ano. So explanation na lang of the premium right here. Okay, so for those who are asking. Premium guys, okay? Eto yan, this is what you'll get. Intraday, if I have a high quality trade signal, you will get this. Okay, I send my high quality. So don't expect me to like, especially now that market is ranging talaga, you all can see that. So, maliliit lang. But during ano, I do send 2 to 3 signals back then. Yeah, so you'll get this Bitcoin report. Now, Bitcoin report, I do it in the YouTube live every starting of YouTube, so you don't have to worry na. Bull run plan, yes, I do share some of my portfolio in there. And then this is what you'll get sa premium. Yeah, guided, premium announcement, chats, international because I have some international students. Okay, ano to ha, English, but don't worry, we have Filipino chat. Okay, that's no problem. So, yeah, TA discussions, if you have some TA that we want to discuss, okay, that's the ano dyan. But the main thing is, eto, Google Drive. Okay, Mayari Capital. Okay, Mayari Capital, Google Drive, you'll get the full, every lessons in there. Okay, every lessons that you need to start your trading, even advance your trading, because I have advanced lessons in there. Okay, so I have not seen those guys who were, asking for the T and C earlier. So yeah, that's ano na lang. Not showing Matic. Seaweed, paano naman ako umabot ng 4K USD loss? Yeah, so sorry about to hear that, Seaweed, but I hope you do learned your lesson. Yeah, yeah, Seaweed right here. But that's normal. I mean, like, the losing part. It's part of the process talaga. You cannot, even at the point of you becoming a profitable trader, may strength ka na, may strategy ka na, may edge ka na, yung loss is still there. I still do some losses, guys. I do. And especially my scalping. Okay? So, uh-huh. All right, so I guess what time is it in Philippines now? Yeah, it's getting late in here. It's getting late now, like 10 p.m. and 10, yeah, 10:10. Yes. Yes, 10:10. Yeah. 10:10. Okay. Oh, but now overall plus 100 and 800 plus 800 USD na ako. Good for you, Steve. That's really, really nice. Do you have a signal, mom? Dai? I have mentioned a lot of trading plan, okay, which, now ito, one of the trade that we discussed was Matic, entry around the zone. This would have, a breakout at this area. And this was the take profit. It hit. Can you see? Yeah. So I guess I still have some, let's see. Dot still hasn't moved. Oops. Okay. Ito dot. I also mentioned that. So still hasn't moved. Yung Matic talaga yung ano, yung pumitik guys. Yeah. As a word. So BNB, still taking time. Link, yeah, we have not charted link, so I cannot discuss that. Ethereum also, but yeah, out of the ano, yung nagano talaga is yung Matic, yeah. But even then, lahat sila, even XRP still has that ano ha, yung XRP. Just watch, okay, for those who are in live, yung mga late pumasok, you can watch the full again, okay, in my YouTube. So just find this one, live crypto analysis charting, July 26. Okay. So this is my official YouTube, Mayari Capital. Sige guys. Okay, so yeah, so wait, let me answer one comment sa my Ma'am Mayari, ask ko lang pagka-payment para sa premium karon. Yes, you will get access kaagad. So, guys, how do I access premium miss? How do I do subscription on premium? So, I'll just teach you guys here na lang, okay? So, right here, the moment you get into the Discord, all right? By the way, for those who are in TikTok, don't panic ha. Message me in Instagram. I'll send you link to access the Discord. So right here, you'll be able to see. Ito, yung mga trades in premium yan. Yeah, mga sniper. I used to do sniper entry talaga. Can you see? Those are some of my sniper entries talaga. And yeah, when I do my trades talaga, sniper entry yan. So mga high quality to na trades. So if you see me, give out a signal sa premium, guys, that's a high quality trade. So ito din, yan, mga sniper entry yung binibigay ko sa may premium. That's why, right now, it's a little bit rare kasi market is talaga, ranging siya. And I'm a price action trader. So ito din, yan, sniper trades yan. Mga trades yan sa premium. Anyway, so, yeah, here are some mga challenges ko before. Can you see 2021 pa yan? Uh, just challenging, turning my 100 into 200, 300 into doubling, mga ganun. Yeah. So, if you want to access the premium, just follow, okay, this. By the way, guys, I do accept, again, GCash. I do. And for PayMaya, it's the same number lang. Okay, if you are having a PayMaya, it is the same number. So the moment you do that, please do screenshot. Okay, screenshot your payment. All right, and then can you see this at the bottom? Create premium access ticket. Yan lang, click lang to. Click lang yan, guys. Yan. The moment you click that, okay, it will create. Yes, it will show me in here. So for me, I'm the one who created this. So the moment you have this ticket up in here, do just follow the instruction right here. Send your proof of payment, okay? And then your Gmail. That's all I need. Yung Gmail mo, tsaka proof of payment. Because Gmail, I'll send you yung study materials, tsaka yung mga trading tools. Sige? So yeah, that's it. And yeah, you will also get access na to the Discord premium talaga. Okay, so right, I hope that answers your question. Okay, Miss Mayer, ask ko lang, is it a struggle ba to learn trading without any coaching? Personally it was, because I learned my trading without coaching, and it took me years, guys. 2 years to be exact. So, but with coaching, you can ask my private student, you can ask some students of mine, how was it like with coach. But based on performance, some of my students managed to trade after like, yung pinakamabilis talaga was 2 months. One of my students from Canada, 2 months, $500 per day na siya, profit niya. That's yung target niya. Others took like a year, others took 6 months. Crypto MD, because you guys are familiar with Crypto MD, it took him around, almost a year also, profitable. For me, it took me 2 years. So, mahirap siya in a sense like, pag may mga losses ka, may mga setbacks, for example, you question your setup, you question everything, you don't have anyone to ask ba? Like, ano bang mali ko dito? What can I improve? Those I didn't had that. But in my personal coaching with my students, I provide that because I know that is the main struggle, you know. Anyway, so yeah, yaka muna. Thank you, Mayari. Yes, thank you for being here again, guys. All right. Before we end this, right now we're hitting almost 830. The moment we hit yung $1,000 subscription, I mean subscribers dito sa YouTube, I will give away. Okay? One giveaway winner sa YouTube. All right? Once we hit 1,000 subscribers. All right, so I guess guys, that's it for this evening. Yeah. for you. And what's the word for that? Take care, guys. Okay. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.